How to invest in stocks. Beginner's Guide to Financial Growth. Investing in stocks can be an excellent way to grow your wealth over time. If you are new to the world of investing, it may seem intimidating at first, but with the right approach and some basic knowledge, you can get started confidently. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you begin your journey into stock investing. Step number 1. Educate yourself. Before diving into the stock market, take the time to educate yourself about how it works. Understand basic investment terminology, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. You can find numerous resources online, including articles, books, and tutorials to help you grasp the fundamentals. Step number 2. Set clear financial goals. Define your investment objectives and determine your risk tolerance. Are you investing for retirement, buying a house, or saving for your children's education? Understanding your goals will help you create a suitable investment strategy. Step number 3. Assess your financial situation. Evaluate your current financial situation, including your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Make sure you have an emergency fund in place to cover unexpected expenses before you start investing. Step number 4. Open a brokerage account. Use a reputable online brokerage firm to open a brokerage account. Look for one that offers low fees, a user-friendly platform, and access to a wide range of investment options. Popular brokerage platforms include Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab. Step number 5. Determine your budget. Decide how much money you are willing to invest in stocks. Start with an amount that you can afford to lose and gradually increase your investment as you gain confidence and experience. And speaking about budget, can you share your thoughts in the comments below? What is the ideal budget in investing for such? And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step number 6. Boost your investments. Research different stocks and sectors to find investment opportunities that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Consider factors such as company performance, industry trends, and analyst recommendations. You can also invest in index funds or exchange-traded funds or ETFs for diversified exposure to the market. Step number 7. Place your first trade. Once you have selected your investments, place your first trade through your brokerage account. Pay attention to the stock's current price, market trends, and any relevant news or events that may impact its performance. Step number 8. Monitor your investments. Keep track of your investments regularly and monitor their performance over time. Review your portfolio periodically and make adjustments as needed based on changes in your financial goals or market conditions. Step number 9. Stay informed. Stay informed about market developments, economic indicators, and company news that may affect your investments. Consider subscribing to financial news outlets or following reputable investment websites and blogs to stay up to date. Step number 10. Stay patient and disciplined. Remember that investing is a long-term endeavor and it is normal for the market to experience fluctuations. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements and stick to your investment plan. By following these steps and staying informed, you can begin your journey into stock investing with confidence and set yourself up for long-term financial success. Remember that investing involves risk, so it is essential to do your due diligence and seek advice from financial professionals if needed. Happy investing! Thank you so much for joining me on this journey today. I'm incredibly grateful for your support and engagement. Remember, positivity is contagious, so let us spread kindness and joy wherever we go. Together, we can make the world a brighter place. As always, stay happy, stay grateful, and keep shining your light. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. Unknown author.